Get under here. It came so suddenly. Look how hard it's falling on the rice fields. बारिश कितनी तेज है. मैं तो लगभग पूरी तरह भीग गई थी. लेकिन बारिश के बाद गीली मिट्टी की खुशबू कितनी अच्छी लगती है. हाँ, जब पानी बढ़ता है, बड़े केकड़े अक्सर तालाब के किनारे की तरफ निकल आते हैं. सच में? मैंने कभी इतने बड़े केकड़े नहीं देखे.
Chai garam. Please come in and join us. आओ बेटियों, गरम अदरक वाली मसाला चाय पियो. बारिश में अपने शरीर को गरम रखना चाहिए.
Come, take your tea, my dear ones. Thank you, Amma. Oh, it's so warm and perfect. Be careful, it's hot. It smells wonderful. माँ, आपकी चाय हमेशा दुनिया की सबसे अच्छी होती है. बारिश रुक गई. देखो, धूप भी निकल आई. चलो, तालाब के पास जाके देखते हैं. शायद हमें वैसे ही बड़े केकड़े मिल जाएं, जैसे दादाजी बताया करते थे. The lake will be beautiful today. I can't wait. Remember to be careful, girls. We will, Auntie.
Time to get to the lake. The fish will be waiting.
All right, everyone ready?
Ready. Let's go crabbing.
Ready? Ready. Let's go.
देख सुई.
Look, there it is. The lake. It's beautiful. We made it. Tezule, chunta zuli. Hi hadnole. Be careful where you step. Look at how high the water is. We shouldn't go any closer. पानी बहुत गंदा और गहरा है. हम इन केकड़ों को कैसे ढूंढेंगे? Look at that. What's happening to the lake? Something is in there. Run to the shore. What is that shape moving under the water?
Oh my goodness. Oh, what was that? It splashed right on us. Watch out. It's muddy.
Oh my God, look! What is that thing? It's coming out! Ah! Run, get back! It just snapped! Hey भगवान! सब लोग देखो! वो क्या है? Look at the size of that thing! It's coming closer! We have to move.
Cảnh ngon quá đàn ơi.
ये कोई आम केकड़ा नहीं है. ये तो किसी राक्षस जैसा है. हम इसे कभी भी नंगे हाथों से नहीं पकड़ सकते. इसके पंजे बहुत खतरनाक हैं. बिल्कुल. इसका कवच बहुत सख्त है. हमें बड़ी मशीन की जरूरत पड़ेगी. अंकल, it's Priya. Listen to me carefully. We're in big trouble. There's a giant crab in the lake. You have to come quickly and bring help. नमस्ते चाचा जी. हमें तुरंत मदद चाहिए। क्या आप एक बड़ी क्रेन और एक भारी ट्रक लेकर गांव के तालाब पे आ सकते हैं? यहाँ एक बहुत बड़ा केकड़ा आ गया है।
Keep it away from the water towards the shore. Be careful, it's raising its claws. Move slower. Meera, don't rush it.
मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में इतना बड़ा केकड़ा कभी नहीं देखा।
चाचा जी, एक बड़ा लोहे का पिंजरा तैयार करके उसमें मजबूत केबल लगा दीजिए।
Hurry, Anjali.
The straps are tight.
Grab the bait.
Secure the meat, then everyone fall back quickly. Move, move.
Steady now, just a little bit more.
अब ऊपर उठाइए जल्दी।
Keep your distance, girls. It's coming right at us.
Watch out.
I've got it, don't worry. It's slowing down, thank goodness.
Almost there, lower slowly. Ready the chains. Watch the pincer. Secure it tightly, Priya.
हो गया, हमने इसे पकड़ लिया। हाँ, ये हो गया, बिल्कुल। क्या हमने ये किया?
Let's go. We have to keep ahead. Watch the mud. हे भगवान, तुम लोग ये इतनी बड़ी चीज घर पे क्या ले आए हो? माँ, आज हम पूरे गांव के लिए बहुत बड़ी केकड़े की करी बनाएंगे। जरूर मेरी बेटी।
All right, it's down. Girls, open it up.
Careful now, slowly. Watch the claws. Just guide it to the mats. All right, aim for that crack. Got it. Ready? Ready. The tomatoes are particularly red this season. Yes, they are looking wonderful. The harvest is abundant.
Chặt nhỏ một chút thôi. Đúng vậy, chị thấy cái củ này khó bóc ghê. Làm sao không được? Chúng ta còn nhiều món khác phải làm nữa.
Let's make this oven bigger. Yes, high enough for the giant pan. Perfect, it fits. Now for the final stir. It's lighting. Good, add more wood. Watch out, it's hot. More wood needed. Okay, it's really going now. Together, up. Focus. Steady, girls. Almost there. Down slowly. Got it. Well done, everyone.
Keep pouring, Meera. Got it, Priya. Looks almost full now.
Keep mixing those spices, girls. Ensure it's all coated. Let's turn this one over. Nice and even now. Perfect. Be careful, Priya. It's ready. Looks delicious. Just a little more. Keep them moving so they don't stick. The color is looking perfect. Great job. Watch the heat. Flip those in the middle. Almost ready, everyone. Let's finish this. Wow, these are perfectly fried. So delicious. Grab that big one, Bee. The spices will be perfect now. Smell that aroma. Yes, it smells amazing. Okay, ready, everyone? Pour them. Yes, pour them in. It's a huge amount. Keep stirring, it needs to be golden brown. Now, let's add the magic. Minced garlic, ginger, and a generous splash of oil go in. Then, the texture is perfect now. We used up all of it. Looks delicious. Let's taste test. Just a little longer. All right, Priya, lift. Got it, Kavita. Just a little higher. Good. Now over there. Sink it in. The spice is just right. Woohoo! We're gonna feast on this tonight. Together, gently. Yes. Watch the seal. Yes. Now reduce the heat. Okay. Keep it low for a long simmer. The mixture is just right. Now let's fry up these beauties. All right, girls, let's lift this thing. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. It's heavy. Wow, look at that steam. It's ready. Time to eat.
The curry is almost ready. It smells wonderful.
We've never made one this large before.
This will be a feast for the whole village.
Almost done. Look how organized. It smells amazing today. Let's get ready to serve.
ये पोर्शन ठीक है, दूसरे बॉक्स में डालो. अब क्रैब केक्स रखो ऊपर. गर्मा गर्म है, ध्यान से रखना. बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. सब रेडी हो गया.
Be careful, the trays are heavy. Don't worry, we can manage. Let's make sure the seals are tight. Yes, they need to reach everyone hot. Keep stacking them here. We're almost done. Ready with the straps. Pull tight, ladies. Now we can go.
Here is your meal. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Hello, we have your lunch. This is wonderful.
स्वादिष्ट. तुम सबने कमाल कर दिया.
The feast is ready. Wow, it's so big. Let's bring it to mother. Here you are, mother. Oh, my dear girls, this is amazing.
केकड़ा बहुत मीठा और स्वादिष्ट है. मसाले बिल्कुल सही हैं. मेरी बेटियां बहुत अच्छी हैं.
आपको हमारी जायंट क्रैब करी कैसी लगी? अगर वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो कमेंट जरूर कीजिए. धन्यवाद, फिर मिलेंगे.